Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. Um, Boy, we just had a big run up, a nice run up for the last like 7 days or so on any stock, right? And so, what I wanted to show you guys was, oh, cool, I have right here. All right, so this right here, there's a sentence. This is what I printed off. This is a very good article to read and use as a tool to understand what's going on in the market right now. But you have to write in the bear market for Wyckoff, okay? And in the third page he's got a rule 1 and rule 2. Okay, so I'll show it to you and then I'll read it to you. There's rule 1, and here's rule 2, okay? Rule 1, don't expect the market to behave exactly the same way twice. The market is an artist, not a computer. It has a repertoire of basic behavior patterns that is subtly modifies, combines, and springs unexpectedly on its audience. Of course, right? A trading market is an entity with a mind of its own. This is key information for me. I'll speak for myself. That's helped me so far without all the technical analysis tools. Just listening to these key behaviors and understanding it and realizing it and just okay, digesting it. Rule 2. Today's market behavior is significant only when it's compared to what the market did yesterday, last week, last month, or even last year. There are no predetermined, never fail levels where the market always changes. Here's the best sentence. Everything the market does today must be compared to what it did before. That's how I figured out that we had this run up, because I looked at the graph on a week before, month before, 3 months before. I don't have 6 months on Robinhood, and then a year later, and then on the year, I found out where I thought where I was. But basically, what I'm going to show you right now is on Friday, we had a huge volume of either people buying and trading, or just buying in a lot of different sectors. And so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys Tesla's what it looks like on a bar chart for last Friday, and you'll see when news came out and what happened. So here we have Tesla. Okay, it's the best I can do. I'm almost at the point where I can have this on the screen, but I don't have that yet. All right, but look at buying. But you know what? The biggest buys are these little teeny, they're called wicks, I think. Little wicks. And next to so I'm going to show you this picture, right? You can see that throughout the day, low volume. And then all of a sudden, right before the market closes, there's a big buy. So some information came out. And so I think if I click this way, I go the wrong way. If I click this way, all right, here we go. As I thought, I had it on the wrong one. This little wick right here. That one, not this one, that one. I'm going to go to the next page and show you the volume. You just take your finger and you change this symbol to the bars, which is this, and you put your finger on these, and then you get this information above. So between 1 and 110, we had pretty much 6 million people buying and selling, because I looked up, there was this gray mark right here. And I was like, shoot, Robinhood, seriously? You're going to throw in a gray mark? I don't know what the hell that means. So I Googled it and tried to figure it out. I had 5 minutes to do it. And it's like an unsettled amount of people trading and buying this stock. And it's not, they don't have the numbers yet for this. It's, to me, this is like, Robinhood, you really trying to screw with us again? Because you had a gun at your head the last time I heard you trying to screw with us. So I don't think you want to do that again. And so I'm going to show you another stock that I think will perform very well. This is my own personal opinion, not other ones. But guess what? Robinhood markets. And look, same, we have, look, the pattern of the graph might be a little different because it's in a different sector. This is a banking sector, the financing sector. It's good to kind of diversify. If you have Robinhood, if you have Tesla, you've diversified into several sectors, but not financially. And so Coinbase and Robinhood markets, but Coinbase is a little too expensive to buy a bunch of shares, but Robinhood, I could see Robinhood, because it went up to $75. And so look, here we are again. Here's the little wick. And I might have the wrong wick. I hope I don't. But look at the volume. This is green. And now I'm going to go to the next video. Okay, now I took my finger and I pushed on this one right here with the big gray bar, I think. 10 million people. Something happened between this and this time that leaked out information into the stock world and made a bunch of people buy. And that's the point of this movie that I'm making right now, is to show you how important it is to like be on top of it. If you really want to make money and you have the time to do it, you can make money, within a matter of days, but you have then the wait time to make money again safely is like another 3 weeks maybe, or something like that. Because if I went onto my phone right now and showed you, I'll just bring up my Ethereum graph off of my iPad, because that's the only thing I can think of to show you guys. And so I will. And if you're still paying attention to this video, you're a winner, because winners stay to the end. They don't leave in the beginning. All right, here's Ethereum, right? I'm going to go to Ethereum 1 year. Okay. We just went up this big hill up here. And I believe we might have, or not have, I think we did make it to this part. Because as you can see right here, up there, looks exactly what it looked like. Here it is, what Wyckoff said. And I can see it right. That little tip right here looks just like that little tip up there. So this is what happened in the past. What happens in the past reflects what's happening in the future. Or what is happening in the future reflects in the past for the future. So we're going to go down like this. And then we're going to have a little rally, unless this was our rally. And then we are going to wait until Ethereum goes down below $2,000, below $1,800, or maybe a little bit of it. Who knows? And who knows when the market could change from bear to bull. That could happen too. So a lot will be found out on Monday, but this is just to show you that, like, what happens in the present. We just had this nice little pump right here for everyone in the NASDAQ. And that's reflective of something that was going up in the past, or going down in the past. And because it went down, it has to go back up. So there you go. 10 minutes. I love you guys. Follow me on Tuck Nuts on YouTube and on Instagram at TuckerMLO. Hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later.